Welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. This is the Alocasia black velvet. Recently I brought, but since it has this basket, you can see this basket, it is sitting inside the basket, so we need to remove it and repot it. So I thought I will do the repotting and share the video with you people. So it is a rare plant, and see the velvety texture of the leaf, that is why it is called Alocasia black velvet, and its origin is in Borneo. Let us remove it. It is coming okay. See, it is like this now. Let us, I will be using the same pot only, so I will remove the whole. So first we have to remove the basket, because the basket is creating trouble for the plant. You can see all the leaves have come out. So many times we won't see the basket which is sitting inside. So when you buy plants from the nursery, it is better to check how they have potted. Actually, here and all it is big task to need to remove it one by one, and I don't want to spoil the root system also. It's a very delicate plant. For the potting medium, I am using 1/3 soil, 1/3 vermicompost. Now we will just, some offshoots have come. It's a bit. Maybe when for their convenience, they keep it in basket and they don't remove the basket later. But if we don't remove it, definitely the plant will have problem. So successfully we have removed all the basket. Now the plant look like this. It is free from all the basket thing. So we will repot in this same pot only. So I am keeping a net under it, and we have to make the potting medium for that. This is, they have made only soil. We have to use 1/3 soil, 1/3 perlite and 1/3 cocoa peat. So I have mixed some cocoa peat and sand earlier and kept, so that I am using it now. For previous plant I have just made it, so I don't want to waste that. So we will mix it with the perlite only, and we will put some vermicompost also, one fistful, and some fungicide in case it is having some. If you don't have fungicide, you can use cinnamon powder also, but it is better to use fungicide. See, now the soil is very loose, so the plant will be very happy to live in this. So now the pot is ready. First we will put some net and keep it, and this much level we will keep the plant and fill the potting medium. And it doesn't like direct sunlight, it like to be in indirect sunlight. It like humidity. It is toxic to pets because it has some calcium oxalate present in the leaves. It flowers on when the plant is mature, but the flower is not that beautiful, but it flowers. This small one was nearby. I think it is a small offshoot which is going to come. We will keep this also somewhere here. So if it want to come, it can always come. So I will have 2 plants. And these are the things. Fertilizer, you need to fertilize with organic fertilizer. This is a very delicate leaf, so don't put any chemical fertilizer for it. And propagation is by offshoots. Offshoots appear, and you saw this small one, no? That also can be used. Or otherwise, when plant matures, small plants appear, you can just remove it and keep it. Pruning is when the leaves, when some leaves are like this, you can prune it. Now I am not doing it because just now only I repotted, so plant will have some shock. So let us keep it for some time, then you remove it. Then this plant like to be root bound, so keep it in small pots. Don't repot now and then. It would like to be root bound. And pests sometimes appear. If pest comes, put neem oil, that everybody knows, no? Neem oil spray. You can make with soap water and neem oil, that you can spray. That will very rare case, otherwise it won't have any problem. So this is the repotting of my Alocasia black velvet, which was sitting in this small bucket. Hope it will be free from the bucket and it will enjoy. Now we have to pour some water, of course, and watering is done when the top level of the soil is dry. It doesn't like soggy soil, that is why we have put perlite, sand, actually 1/3 perlite and 1/3 sand, so that it won't be soggy, it will have only moist soil, it will prefer moist soil. So this is the video about my Alocasia black velvet. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a new person to watch my video, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.